Here we have a SAT math question. Here we have a table of data. Okay, let's read the information we have over here. The distance d in meters traveled by a rocket depends on the amount of fuel F in liters. It burns according to the equation d equals to 2/3 of F. Based on the table above, how many rockets traveled more than 20 meters? Okay, in this equation, d equals to 2/3 of F. D stands for the distance traveled by each rocket in meters, and F stands for the fuel it burns in liters. Okay, here we have to find the number of rockets traveled more than 20 meters of distance. Okay, in the first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in 20 for d into this equation and solve for F. Okay, let me write the given equation. There is d equals to 2/3 of F. In this equation, I'm going to plug in this distance 20 for d and solve for F. Okay, to solve for F in this equation, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/2. So 3/2 times 20 equals to 3/2 times 2/3 times F. This 2 will cancel out, this 3 will cancel out. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 20 10 times. So 3 times 10 is 30 equals to F. So I get F equals to 30. That is, when the distance is 20 meters, the fuel burned by the rocket is 30 liters. In case if a rocket traveled more than 20 meters, how many liters of fuel did it burn? So clearly it will be more than 30 liters. If the distance is 20 meters, then the fuel burned is 30 liters. If the distance is more than 20 meters, then the fuel burned must be more than 30 liters. Okay, now in this table, we have to identify the rockets which have burned more than 30 liters of fuel. So clearly the two rockets, rocket 6 and rocket 7. So these two rockets burned more than 30 liters of fuel. So these two rockets must have traveled more than 20 meters of distance. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.